Money moves the world, but who designed the system behind it?
Behind every market, there is architecture.
Institutions, central banks, crises, capital flows, not headlines, systems. Architecture of Capital explores how financial systems are built and how they shape power, inflation, and markets today.
This digital infrastructure, pulsing with green and teal energy, forms the backbone of the global financial system.
This is not financial advice. This is financial understanding.